In the verdant jungles of northern Argentina, the red and green macaw once painted the skies with its vibrant plumage. Early explorers often marveled at these stunning creatures. Yet, for 170 years, the gallery forests they once inhabited have been eerily silent, devoid of their calls. Until now. The macaw's decline and eventual extinction in Argentina can be traced back to human activities, settlement expansion, extensive livestock farming, and the hunting of macaws for food, pets, and trophies during the 1600s and 1700s. The loss of such stunning birds is tragic, but their role in the ecosystem was equally crucial, as they dispersed the seeds and fruits of native trees, palms, and vines, maintaining the delicate balance of the jungle. Today, red and green macaws are often found in the illegal trade market, valued for their striking plumage or as exotic pets. The cramped cages where they are kept are a far cry from the expansive forest canopies they once called home. But in 2019, a glimmer of hope emerged. Rewilding Argentina released 2 pairs of red and green macaws in Corrientes, northern Argentina. For the first time in nearly 2 centuries, these birds soared once again over their ancestral lands. The initial signs were promising, as the pairs laid clutches of eggs, heralding a potential new beginning for the species. But due to the inexperience of the parents, all of the eggs were destroyed. This marked the first of a myriad of issues. Macaws, like many creatures, acquire essential survival skills through learning. Flying, identifying food, navigating the forest, and rearing young are behaviours honed by experience. For macaws that have spent most of their lives in captivity, or were even bred in captivity, acquiring these skills is a daunting challenge. Birds are sourced from zoos and breeding centres across the country, and some are even rescued from the illegal trade and their life as pets. These macaws are brought to a dedicated centre where they undergo health checks to prevent the spread of disease. Special care must be taken with any chicks reared at the centre. To ensure they do not associate humans with food, a special macaw glove puppet is used during interactions with humans. This crucial step helps maintain their natural instincts. Before they can be released into the wild, all birds must undergo intensive training to develop their flight skills, recognize their food, and evade predators like wild cats and foxes. In order to teach the macaws this, they are transported to mobile cages within forest patches in Iberá National Park. But now, the crucial question must be asked. How exactly do you teach a bird to fly? The process begins by coaxing the bird onto a perch. Once settled, a second perch is placed within hopping distance. Through countless attempts, the birds gradually learn to associate jumping, hopping, and flapping to the second perch with the reward of food and the stimuli of a whistle. As they grow comfortable with the distance, the perches are moved slightly further apart. And so the process goes, with the perches being moved to increasing distances until the bird can outfly its cage. For some, the journey to flight can be relatively swift, taking just a few weeks. However, for those scarred by the trauma of living in cramped, abusive environments, these skills may never fully develop. Despite these challenges, the team remains unwavering in their dedication, tirelessly working with each bird, holding on to the hope that one day every macaw will experience the freedom of the skies. After their release, the macaws are not yet fully independent. Their training continues with more flying drills, where native fruits serve as rewards for their efforts. Staff monitor the macaws to ensure their successful adaptation, track their reproduction, and support their long-term survival. Through these dedicated efforts, the project strives to bring the enchanting red and green macaw back to Argentina's skies, restoring a vital ecological player and a cultural and natural treasure. Reintroducing them not only revives a species extinct in Argentina, but also supports a wild population at the southernmost edge of their global range. As the first new generations of macaws take flight, their calls echo through the gallery forests, breaking the long-held silence.